These two submersible pumps, models 40 PV and 65 QV, were produced by our company for a customer in Russia. They are vertical submersible pumps with a sleek design, directly installed on the material storage tank, saving space and reducing infrastructure costs. Submersible pumps are positive pressure vertical pumps that effectively solve air blockage and cavitation problems. The pump's impeller, body, and other key components are submerged in the transported material. These pumps are customized based on the required immersion depth, with materials chosen based on the nature of the material, including metal and non-metal options. In demanding environments, our pumps are known for their durability, reliability, and high precision. We continually innovate and improve product performance to provide efficient and reliable solutions for your work and life.